One side and the middle side. But it's very big.
That's for the main food. How about the main food?
The main food.
Rice or bread?
No, not rice, not bread, just beans.
Beans?
Yeah.
Not potato?
Potato, of course, but most of the time it's just really beans, really like beans.
Just you all eat beans?
No, we use beans with meat, beans with cereal, well, beans with many things, you know.
But for sure not the bread and not the rice.
For example, the rice is really used in this side of the country.
Ah,
This side of the country. All of us, we have rice.
Ada pour puiser de l'eau, et aussi pour boire de l'eau.
Most of Burundi people eat beans.
That's not